Okay, we're recording now. We're going to show how to do the LED modules. First thing you do, you take a popsicle stick and you mark the 12 positions from your terminal block. So the spacing here is the same as your terminal block. And we take the LEDs and straddle the popsicle stick on either side. Put all cathodes to one side, anodes to the other. So all your long pins on one side, short on the other. Get your proper spacing. And take another stick. We'll apply some glue to the back of this stick. A little bit of glue. Press that down on one side, flip it over, do the same on the other. Another popsicle stick with glue. Press it down, make a little LED sandwich, and then we put some clamps on there. Don't bother messing with it till you get your clamps on, and then you can just fiddle with them a little bit so they're all standing straight and the spacing's right. If you're happy with it, I'm going to put one screw clamp down. Middle, and fiddle with it a bit. It's there. Now we can set this aside to dry. You'll need to make 4 of these if you're using the upper deck. If you're using the inversion relays, you'll only need 2 displays. If you're doing the upper deck switches, you'll need to make 4. Okay, now I've already pre-assembled some of these. Here's a couple stacks. These have the same color coding. So I'll use one for the main display and the other will be for the upper deck synchronization, as you've seen in the ones I've been showing. And you just continue doing that for your displays. Then you'll want to do your diode drive bridges. For these, you'll want to put a little bit of glue down first on your stick. Use the same marked popsicle sticks. Put a thin bit of glue down. Taking your diodes, putting all the cathodes towards the stick, and just set the leads into that bit of glue. I hope to have another stick here just to support it. Cathodes down to the glue. Hope you can see that clearly. You'll get a better idea when I'm done here. It's a little bit of an unconventional assembly technique, but we do what we can. It's a simple way to build it. We're doing all 12 here. Set your little diodes down into the glue, all the cathodes towards the board. Okay, take another stick again, some more glue on it. Sandwich all those diodes down into the glue. Again, put some clamps on. Fiddle with it a little bit if you have to. Another screw clamp. Press all your diodes nice and straight. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You have 12 diodes there. We'll set that aside to dry. Now here's one of those already made with the 2 going together. You'll have a common anode, common cathode, and then your drive bridges, your motor drive bridges will tap on top. Now here's one with only 6 double spaced. It might be a better way to go. Make 4 6s double space so you're not getting your wiring all congested. So you'll take 2 of these then to make each of these. So you'll need 4 of these assemblies, 2 with the cathodes down, 2 with the cathodes up, because you'll need 2 common anode and 2 common cathode diode dry bridges. And then your resistors are basically the same. You put the glue on the stick, the marked positions, just enough to hold the resistors in place. You'll take your 12 resistors, stick the leads into the glue, same as you did for the diodes. These ones don't straddle like the LEDs because the leads are axial coming out the end. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. The whole system's just bussed together. It's rows and columns. There's no real complication to it. It's basically just a drive grid, X, Y. So there again, we take another popsicle stick, put some more glue. Now we're sandwiching the resistors in.